Good morning, this is Alif News and I am Ahajita Praveen. Let's have a look at the important headlines. World news: a new COVID-19 wave appeared to be brewing in Europe. Heart disease is the leading cause of death globally, with an estimated 17.9 million people dying from it each year, according to the World Health Organization. Russian threats to use nuclear weapons are the most serious such warning since the Cuban Missile Crisis, said US President Joe Biden. A global alert has been issued over 4 cough syrups after the World Health Organization warned they could be linked to the deaths of 66 children in the Gambia. Saudi news: the strong demand by international investors for PIS first issuance reflects confidence in funds' role as an integral pillar of the Saudi economy and its position as one of the largest and most impactful sovereign wealth funds. Saudi Arabia's Ministry of Economy and Planning has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Saudi Economic Association to accelerate research, training, and data exchange. Amid a flurry of new agreements, the International Telecommunication Union has honored Saudi Arabia in a gesture of appreciation for the kingdom's efforts while heading the work team of ITU Council. A large number of visitors flock to the pavilion of the Ministry of Justice on a daily basis at the Riyadh International Book Fair being held at the Riyadh front. School news: half-yearly exams are going on. The last exam will be held on October 16th. Selection session for annual day will be held on 16th October for grade 1 to 5, whereas for higher grades will be done on 17th October. Alif Kindergarten celebrated Black and White Day on Thursday, 6th October with different activities. Thank you and have a nice day.